What's up, Durango fam? So here we are. I got my 2018 Durango RT, and basically for shits and giggles, I just want to see how it'll look and how it'll come out. So on Amazon, I picked up these rear valances for pretty cheap. Yeah, it's got fake carbon fiber. If this does work out, I'll probably take it off and wrap it, just like my pillars and some other pieces that I've done. But I got these off Amazon really cheap, and these are actually for a Challenger. But I think with the right persuasive, adjusting, I'm not even going to cut them. From what I see, I think I can get this to fit on the rear and look pretty decent. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to try these out. So a couple of things that we're going to need. One, I've got just some clamps, because once I get it where I think I'm going to get it, I'm going to try to hold this in place. And then two, I do have a drill with a small drill bit, and then I just got my actual Phillips screw on that one. And then the kit that I bought did come with 6 screws, so we're going to put 3 in each of these and see how it turns out. So let's give it a try. So I'm just gonna I'm coming underneath here, and I'm gonna try to get this where I think it would look really flush and even. And I'm just gonna start with a clamp. All right. And once I get that clamped on there, I like how this hits the end, and this, there we go, kind of starts where this body line, but maybe I might try to see how it looks if I get it to start right at the beginning. So let's go ahead and move that around and just kind of play with it a little bit. I don't really mind that. Maybe a little too close to that. Let's give it a little bit of breathing room. Ah, there we go. So, let's see. Let's bring this over. What do you guys think of that? Not bad from up here. It's not horrible. I don't mind it. It's just kind of there. This is a little accent piece. From down below, tripod's in the way and all the kids' toys, but let's go ahead. Let's try it. I do not mind that. So, alright, I got that in place that I like it. I'm just going to drill it, put it in, and we'll take some photos. And one more towards the middle. Alright, so I got one towards the beginning, one towards the middle, and one towards the end. I'm gonna grab 3 screws. Start with the middle one. Then I'll do the end one. And I'll leave the first one for last. Take my clamp out. Yeah, feels pretty good. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's through. So is that one. And so is that one. That's it. that's through. Nice. Now we just have to do the exact same thing on the other side. Here she is. I think it turned out awesome. Got this side in. And that side. Very subtle, but it flows and matches really nice. And they come out right where my rear starts, so it kind of blends one into the other. I like that. I'm gonna go take the rest of my lunch break here. I'm gonna go wash this damn thing. Holy cow, is it dirty. What do you guys think? Let me know.